everyone, and today we're going to make pita bread pizza. So first we'll start with the dough of pita bread. Any type of pita bread works. This is Greek pita bread. Pita sauce, or you can put your favorite sauce that goes well with pizza. Ketchup, anything. But I'm going to put pizza sauce. Put the pizza sauce, spread gently around. I'm going to use spoon, spread it around the dough. Now I'm going to put the cheese. Now we're going to put some chicken. Here we have some cooked chicken pieces. Just plop them on. You have to push them on the cheese so they don't fall out. Put them apart. Okay, this is done. Wash my hands with that. Just touch some chicken. This is my favorite part. It's the seasoning part. You're gonna put all these your favorite seasonings and all. My favorite is oregano and red pepper and parsley. I'm gonna put my 3 favorites. I'll start with the oregano. Tell me your favorite recipe to make in the air fryer in the description. I'm gonna put the red pepper crushed. You have to shake it good or it won't come. And at last, I'm gonna put the parsley. Almost every pizza has these 3 ingredient seasons. Some have more. Mostly veg pizza has it, but this is chicken. And now we have to put it in the air fryer, which is the most main part of this recipe. Scoop this pizza up and put it. Okay, now let's turn the air fryer on. So we set them all. We need pizza, so fish, chicken. We put 380 for 10 minutes, and then we start it. So while we're waiting for the pizza to cook, what do you like to cook in the air fryer? Please put that in the description. Comment. Cook for 4 minutes. Okay, now we're gonna cut the pizza. So let me try this. Enjoy the pizza. Don't let it cool down or it becomes soggy. Okay, the chicken we used was kebab chicken. We made it in the skillet, and again, don't let it cool down or become a tortilla. So good, it's a must-try recipe. Bye. And don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell button, and make the pizza. And if you make the pizza, please let us know in the comments and tell us what's your favorite air fryer recipe.